Hello, curious people. Welcome to What If Curiosity, where we take a curiosity-based thinking approach to learning, living, and better understanding whatever is new or needs to be solved in our world through a celebration and understanding of curiosity. So today we're going to take a look at ChatGPT. You've probably, depending on when you're watching this video or listening to it, you probably heard a little or a whole lot about ChatGPT, and who knows, you may either be really curious. Remember, with curiosity, there's different kinds of personality types, whether you're fascinated or an avoider or a problem solver, empathizer with this new information you're facing with ChatGPT. I'm going to dive a little deeper on why curiosity-based thinking is essential for success in learning about ChatGPT, especially if you're a business owner or you have some sort of management position at your organization. Because as a business manager owner, you're always looking for ways to improve your business and stay ahead of the competition. So one approach that can help you achieve this is curiosity-based thinking. This type of thinking encourages individuals to explore their own interests and questions, leading to a deeper understanding and enjoyment of the subject matter. In this case, ChatGPT. So what if instead of being afraid of or intimidated by ChatGPT, you can not only learn about it, but enjoy the learning process of learning about it? And that's what curiosity-based thinking can bring to this. So one area that curiosity-based thinking can be particularly beneficial is in this study of ChatGPT, cutting-edge natural language processing technology. By allowing your team to approach ChatGPT from their own curious perspectives, they can learn about this technology in a way that is both engaging and meaningful. But what is ChatGPT and why is it worth studying? So ChatGPT, or Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate human-like text based on given input. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, allowing for more natural and intuitive communication. So why should business managers and owners be interested in ChatGPT? Well, for one, it is a fascinating and complex topic that can spark your team's curiosity and imagination. By studying ChatGPT, your team can learn about cutting-edge technology and its potential impact on the world. Additionally, understanding this technology can also help your team develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. But the benefits of studying ChatGPT go beyond just the subject matter itself. When individuals are encouraged to approach learning from a curiosity-based perspective, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated. This can lead to better learning and better learning outcomes. This can lead to better learning outcomes and a more positive overall learning experience. That's the secret sauce the secret sauce outcome of curiosity-based thinking. Is it's not just the end result, but again, how you get there. So furthermore, a curiosity-based approach to learning about ChatGPT can also help your team develop important 21st century skills. These include the ability to think creatively, communicate effectively, and work collaboratively. All of these skills are essential for success in today's rapidly changing business world. And to sum it all up, a curiosity-based approach to learning about ChatGPT can be incredibly beneficial for your team and your organization. It can spark their curiosity, encourage engagement and motivation, and help them develop important 21st century skills. As a business manager or owner, it is important to consider incorporating these approaches into your training and development programs to provide your team with a rich and emerging learning experience. So, in conclusion, are you a business owner looking to stay ahead of the competition and foster a culture of innovation and critical thinking within your team? If so, I encourage you to look at What If Curiosity and the courses and learning opportunities we offer, specifically at how you can learn more about ChatGPT using our unique curiosity-based thinking approach. In the courses and trainings that we offer, your team will be encouraged to explore their own interests and questions, leading to a deeper understanding understanding and enjoyment of this cutting edge natural language processing technology, or chat GPT. Because our approach has been proven to increase engagement and motivation. I should say our science-backed approach. Everything that we do with curiosity-based thinking is backed in science. The latest science on human motivation, on psychology and neuroscience, as far as not just what curiosity is, but what it motivates and pushes us to do. And with curiosity-based thinking, we're able to capture that science and put it together in easy to follow, easy to repeat processes that you can use every day to not only pique your curiosity, but to make curiosity a practice or a habit of your day-to-day life. So give your team this competitive edge they need by signing up or contacting What If Curiosity for some of the trainings or the workshops that we do. I'll provide a link below. But aside from all of that, I hope you find the rest of what we shared here about ChatGPT and a little bit about curiosity-based thinking valuable for whatever you do. So we'll be sharing more videos as well, not just on curiosity-based thinking, but especially on ChatGPT, and in particular how these two worlds can come together to really collaborate and make a better world for all of us. Because as rapidly as this technology is changing and developing, it's becoming increasingly important that we not only understand our human curiosity, but we really start putting it to work so that the future that we have together with this technology is powered by our human curiosity rather than other forces. So thanks again for your curiosity. Until next time, stay curious.